Well, hello everybody and one and again. My name is Austin Henry. That is me, for Austin. And today what's it called? My unboxing Who Framed Roger Rabbit on VHS. And this is on Videocassette and Videotapes. And it's coming available and now soon on video. And this is what? And this is is from Touchstone Home Video. Well, check it out some, shall we? And is owned by the Walt Disney Home Video. You're right. And there's from Touchstone Pictures. It's owned by Disney from the Walt Disney Company. You're right. And there's our Amblin Entertainment. This is from Steven Spielberg. And this released in 1988. And there's for Robert Zemeckis. And there's for Imagemovers. No problem, Jose. I got this thing. You will this time. And you will get this thing. I like that too, huh? Yeah. Of course. It's a Touchstone logo. I love it. Nice. We better than Disney. And here's for the Walt Disney Animated Classics already. Here we go. This thing. Okay, that was fun. You made it. This time, sir, you will, Jose. I got it this time. We will. Okay, Spot. Thanks for joining us, and this is Spot. With my unboxing Who Framed Roger Rabbit on VHS. Okay, Spot. I hope explain that zero for more. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice, great, good, and nice day again. See you soon, buddy. See ya.